Hello guys, today we will show you how to find WordPress page ID or post ID 2023. If you're worried about how to find the page ID, then don't be. You can quickly identify the WordPress page ID because finding the WordPress page ID is a simple procedure. Let's see how we can see the page ID easily. So let's start the video. Method 1. Find WordPress page ID in WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is go to the page area of your WordPress dashboard after logging in. Go to the page option. Now normally hover the mouse over the page preview option you want to see. A link will display in the lower left corner of your screen. The ID of that page is the number provided after the post text. It is 5 in my case. Similarly, you can see posts or categories and others ID. To see post ID, you go to Post Options. Now normally hover the mouse over the Post Preview option you want to see. Look in the lower right corner as before. The ID of that post is the number provided after the post text. Method 2. Find WordPress post or page ID with plugin. If you want to find post/page ID in large quantities or don't want such kind of hassle, then you can use a plugin. With a plugin, you can easily find your post or page ID. You are not required to complete any tasks. You can find all of the IDs next to the content. Follow these steps to do so. Install and activate the plugin. Catch IDs is a handy plugin that helps to view the post ID, page ID, media ID, links ID, category ID, and tag ID safely without leaving your WordPress admin page. Install and activate plugins normally. After completing install, go to all pages/posts/category pages. You will see that the ID is now automatically displayed alongside the post or page. There are more plugins like this you can use if you want. One of them is Reveal IDs. Reveal ID is a plugin for WordPress that reveals entry IDs on admin pages, which was removed in version 2.5. This way, users working with themes or plugins can see these entry IDs and use them in their work more easily. It's also a great plugin. It has about 60,000 plus active installations and 5-star rating. The other is Show Pages IDs. Show Pages IDs is another plugin on our list. It performs the same functions as the other plugins. In the WordPress dashboard, it will display the page, post, and category ID. Display ID for WooCommerce products, product categories, and product tags is also an option. It has about 9,000 plus active installations and 5-star rating. If you have more plugins installed on your WordPress site, then I think it's better to check manually instead of installing plugins separately. You can do it if you want, no problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding this issue, feel free to ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.